Hello, Jessie. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how are you? Hello. Can you hear teacher? Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, Jessie. Hello. Is this Jessie? Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for Jessie. Jessie, Jessie. Oh, hello, Jessie.
The teacher.
Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
Wow, that's very good to know. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson or our activity for today?
Yes.
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 Okay, very good. So now since we had this activity last Wednesday, so let's review it first. So again, so if we have here a birthday cake with candles, so um how many is the candle is that means it's your age. So for example, we have here one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So how many candles do we have in number one? Oh. How many candles? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. But can you see, teacher?
Yes. I can see.
Okay. Okay, very good. So now let's look at number one. So can you count, Jessie? How many candles are there?
Mm,
How many candles? One,
One, two, three, four, five, six,
seven.
seven, eight.
Okay, very good. So how many candles? There
It's
are
eight. There are
eight.
eight.
Very good. So, meaning the children or the child that has birthday with this cake, she is 8 years old. So eight. So we have here 8 years old. So how do we say it with our sentence pattern? We say it
And
by
eight.
I'm eight.
And
Very
yeah.
good. Okay, very good. So we can also include I'm 8 years old. Next, number two. How many candles do we have?
One, two, three, four, five. Five
Uh,
candles.
okay, now how old are you in this cake? How old are you in this
It's
cake?
five.
Okay,
Five.
I'm
And five.
okay, very good. How about for number three? How many candles are there?
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11.
11. Now, how old are you in this cake?
11.
How do we say it in a sentence? I'm
11.
very good. So I'm 11. How
And
about how about for number 4? How old are you in number 4?
one, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three, four. Seven.
Okay, how old are you?
Seven.
Very good. I'm 7.
Seven.
So next, number 5. How old are you in this cake? Do you want me to
Um,
do you want me to zoom it? Let me zoom it. Wait. Okay, so that you can count it easily. Okay, how old are you?
two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11. 12. 12.
Okay, very good. How old are you?
I'm 12.
I'm 12. Very good. Next, let's move on to our next cake. How old are you in this cake?
Two, three. Mm. Mm. One, two, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 9.
Very good. I'm 9. Very good. So good job. So that is how we say our age or how old are we using our birthday candle. So this is usually done in countries like in the United States. So they use candles for them to say how old are they, especially in their birthday. So now let's review again the candles that we have. So let's go first. How old are you?
I'm,
I'm
I'm, I'm 8.
very
I'm
good.
8.
I'm 8. Very good. Next. How old are you?
I'm, I'm 5.
Very good. I'm 5. So next. How old are you?
Um, um, 1, 2, 3. 11.
Okay, very good. I'm 11.
I'm
Next.
11.
How old are you?
Um, it's okay. 1, 2, 7. I'm
Uh,
7.
very good. I'm 7. Next.
7.
How old are you?
Um, 1, 2. It's okay now.
It's okay now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, how old are you? Mm,
Um, I I cannot tell
oh, you cannot count.
because you be small, be small, be small.
Okay. It's small. Okay, let's zoom it.
Count. Mm, mm,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12. I'm
Okay.
12.
Very good. So I'm 12. And next for our last cake, how old are you? Let us zoom. Let me zoom, zoom, zoom. How old are you?
Mm, 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 mm. I'm 9.
Okay, very good. So I'm 9. Wow, good
Mm,
job. So again, Jessie, that is how we say or how we answer the question, how old are you? So now, again, let's practice. Let's practice. Okay, let's
mm,
practice the numbers that we have here based on their order. So what is our first number?
mm.
What color is our first number?
I think
Its color. What color
is
is
color black.
huh? Color black? No, not based on this. Based on our numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What
Mm,
is the color of our first number?
mm, is is brown.
Very good. So this is our number 1. What is our second number? What color?
Mm, is baby blue.
Very good. Wow, it's baby blue. So number 2. Next, what is our third number?
Hmm. Is pink.
Pink. Very good. So number 3. Our fourth number, what color?
Hmm. It's black.
It's black.
Black.
Perfect. And the next number, what is our next number?
Is is green.
It's green. Very good. The next one will be
Baby orange.
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 Okay, perfect. It's number 6. How about the next number?
Hmm. Is blue.
It's blue. The lighter one or the darker blue?
A darker
Darker.
dark blue.
It's the darker blue. Very good. So this one, number 7. What's our next number? What comes after 7?
Is is yellow.
It's yellow. Very good. This is the number 8. And the next one, what number?
Is red.
It's red. It's number 9. And the next one will be,
Is purple.
it's purple.
Is
Next one
is is pink.
pink. Very
On
good.
the
So
right
11.
is pink.
Yes, it's pink. How about the last number? It's
Is
also
pink.
it's also pink. Very good. So those
Pink.
are the numbers that we had learned last time. So from numbers 1 to 12. Now, let's again practice our sentence pattern. So how do we answer the question, how old are you? How do
Mm.
we answer? We answer
And
We answer it
six.
by I'm 6. Very good. So we answer it by saying I'm 6 or based on your age or based on how old are you. Very good. Wow. So now we had finished our Unit 3, Lesson 1. So now let's move on to our next lesson. Let's me just open our next lesson, which is lesson number, what lesson number? Unit 3, lesson number 2. Okay, let me just open.
Why you
Why you? Oh, oh, so big? Teacher is so big. Okay, so now,
Unit 2.
okay, so we are still in unit. Is it two or three?
2.
Oh, it's
T, T,
three.
T, T.
Okay, very good. It's unit three, which is all about what is this? Birthday
Birthday.
party. Birthday
Birthday
party.
party.
Okay, very good. So we are still in unit three, birthday party. But for our lesson two, we will talk about what? We will talk about toys.
2. Toys.
Toys. Okay, very good. Toys.
Toys.
One more time. Let's say toys, toys, toys.
Toys. Toys. Toys.
Okay, very good. So do you have a toys? Do you have
So
toys?
many. So
So many.
many.
Wow, so many. What kinds of toys? Do you have a doll? Do you have a teddy bear? What
I
kinds of
have a
toys?
teddy bear.
Ah, lots of teddy bears.
Yeah.
Are those teddy bears animals?
So many.
Oh, so many animals. Wow, that's good to know. What is your favorite toy?
Mm, uh, uh, animal.
Animals.
Teddy bear.
What kind of
Teddy bear.
animal? Your teddy bear animal?
No.
What
A unicorn.
unicorn? Wow. I think your favorite toy is unicorn because your favorite color is rainbow, right? And unicorn has a rainbow horn. I also, when I was a child, I also love unicorn because they are very, very beautiful. Do you know, do you know the cartoon My Little Pony?
No,
This,
I don't know.
I don't know them. Oh, this one. So they are unicorns. I used to watch them when I was a child. So they are a bunch of unicorns. So that is a
Uh,
cartoon.
uh,
Okay, so
oh,
okay, so
have
oh,
have have unicorn in Vietnam, in
oh,
Vietnam. Have
unicorn?
unicorn in Vietnam.
Ah,
Yes.
you have a unicorn in Vietnam? Really?
No.
Ah, you
No.
you don't
I,
have.
but I I I want to I want to
You want to
tell a
see?
question for you to say.
Ah, you want to ask question about unicorns?
Yes.
Oh, for this one, I don't know if there is a real unicorn because I think unicorn is just a character. But I want to believe that unicorns are real. Do you believe
I
that do you believe that unicorns are real?
think you.
Y- you think that they are real unicorns?
I
Do you
think
do you believe that unicorns are real? Yes or no?
mm, yes.
This one. Yes, okay. I also believe, but most of the people said that we don't have evidences that unicorns are real. Hmm. That's why I just watch cartoons to see many, many unicorns. Okay, so now let's start our lesson about toys. Okay, so this is
Door.
toys.
Doors.
Dolls. Okay.
Ball.
One more time. Let's say,
Balls.
okay, very good.
Car. Horse. Ties. Ties.
Okay, good job. So good job for reading.
Easy.
Easy. Okay, again.
Easy. Easy. Peasy.
Easy, easy, lemon peasy. Okay, again, let's first listen and after that we will read it correctly. Okay, let's
It's
listen.
very easy. Why you
It's
don't know?
Lesson 2.
it's very easy.
Toys. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Doll. Dolls.
2,
Ball.
Ball.
Balls.
Balls.
3,
Car.
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 Ice.
Cars.
Cars.
4,
Kite.
Kite.
Kites.
Kites. Okay, so again, let's read it once again correctly. Let's say doll.
Doll.
Doll. Dolls.
Oh. Doll. Doll.
And with S, dolls.
Dolls.
Ball.
Ball.
Balls. Car.
Car.
Cars. Kite.
Ice. Kites.
Okay, very good. So good job. I can see that you mostly know how to read this toys. However,
Doll.
let's
Dolls.
study. Yes, let's
Dolls. Doll.
Okay, very good. Okay, good job. So, but first, let's study how they form, especially when we have one doll or if we have two or more dolls. So, let's go first with this one. Let's look at the doll. How many dolls can you see in the picture?
It's one.
Very good. So, there is only one. So, we will use its original name, which is doll without S. How
Doll.
How about this one? How many dolls can you see?
Two.
Two. Very good.
Two how
So
many?
yes,
If have letter S is begin.
beginning
After
at
what?
the end.
What?
Okay, let's say at the end.
At the end.
Okay, not the
At the
beginning. So we add S. So again, like what you have said, for two or more things, we add S at the end. So for example, we have here two doll. So that means we will put S, dolls. Okay?
Dolls.
Yes. So for example, here, I
Why
have,
a doll is head?
hmm? For example, I have here, this is a toy. How many
Is
toys? How many toys do teacher has?
one
How about
toy.
this? If I
Two
combine,
toy.
very good. So that is how we use or how we transform a singular
Why
into
your
plural.
toy is very funny?
It's very funny. I think this one is a dog. Do you know Minions? Minions. Do you know Minions? No,
No.
you don't know Minions?
In Vietnam we say mini. Mini.
Eh,
Minion.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Minions.
Yes.
It's
Minion.
Minions. Oh, haven't you watched this one?
I go to yes, Minion.
Minions. Yes, this is my favorite movie because it's very funny. It's
Yeah.
it's very good movie. So Minions. Next. Okay, so again, doll.
Mini in has so
Minion.
many eyes.
Yeah,
Have one eye and two eyes.
yes, it only has one eye or two eyes.
Not
Okay.
three eyes.
Yes, they don't have three eyes, only two. How about
If
this one?
three eyes is a monster.
It's a monster. Do you think that minions are not monster?
Yes.
Yes, because they are They are kind. They
What
are
a kite.
kind. They are kind. They are very kind creatures.
What is kite? I don't know.
Ah, you don't know kind? Oh no. When we say kind, so it means that you are good. You are a good person. You are friendly. You are generous. That is being kind.
Yes, yes, yes. I know the.
Are you kind? Are you kind? Are you kind? Yes or no? Yes,
Yeah.
very good. So we should be kind every day because being kind is free. So next, what toy is this?
S ball and
Ball. One ball.
ball.
How many balls?
One ball, two
Two ball.
balls.
Okay. We say it two ball, not two ball. Two balls.
Oh, not two ball.
Two
Four
balls.
ball.
Oh yes, we
Four
have four balls.
in
Very good. What kinds of balls are this? What ball is this?
is kick.
Huh?
Kick.
What? We call it
Kick
as
ball. Kick ball.
soccer ball. Yes,
Soccer ball.
we kick the soccer ball. How about this one? Do you know what is the name of this ball?
No, I don't know.
Okay, we call it as football.
Football.
Okay, very good. This one. Do you know what is this ball?
I don't know.
Okay, this is a tennis ball. Tennis
Tennis
ball.
ball. I
Yes.
have tennis ball in my house.
Oh, really? Do you play tennis ball?
No, I don't play.
Ah,
My
oh.
brother play.
Oh, your brother play. Wow. Tennis is a very
I
good sport.
not in here. I am in my grandpa house.
Oh,
Not in my my
oh,
dad house.
oh, that's why you are in a different place right now because I cannot see your pink chair. I cannot see your pink chair. So you are in your grandma's house right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Are you close with your grandma and grandfather? Are you close with them?
No, I don't know.
Oh, why? Why you don't know? You don't talk with your grandmother and grandfather?
No, I talk with him.
You talk with them. That's good. And what do you do in your grandma's house? What do you
I
do?
just play and watch TV.
Wow, that's very good. For how long? For how long you will stay in your grandma's house? Will you stay there this week? This full week? How long?
Mm,
How long you will stay in your grandma's house?
Bạn sẽ ở nhà bà ngoại bao lâu?
How long? Is it
mm,
for 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month? Oh, you don't know? It's okay. It's okay. So, are you enjoying your
no,
stay? No? Are you okay? Are
in
you okay? No?
30,
Ah,
30,
oh,
30,
until June
30.
30. Oh, okay. Okay, so Jessie, I think this is the end of our time. So we will just finish this lesson about toys next Wednesday, okay? Okay, okay. Okay, so thank you very much for your time today,
Okay.
Jessie. Teacher has a class after this. Bye bye. Thank you so much,
Goodbye.
Jessie.
See you too.
See you again on
Goodbye, chick.
Wednesday.